Okay.
Hello, my name is Mary, and I'm over here looking into the GateOr and looking into the possibilities of going on so many rides out there and testing it. I'm very excited to try this unit because I got kids and they like always have their drinks and their favorite food in there, the fruits, and this is going to be very convenient for us. Plus, we go out in groups and trips, and we as an adult, and we're ready to try this unit. Very convenient, very easy to do, very to use, and it's very easy to open it here, rotate it. You'll be able to place your items in there, your cooler, and then pull all your stuff in there. Easy to close. It'll lock itself down over here in this position, so it won't go anywhere. Perfect if we fall in the water and then we need to go back in there. Nothing will be in the way. So it's very easy to use, to manage. It doesn't bring a lot of weight to your ski, so it's very easy to use, manageable, friendly, and it won't rust at all because of the aluminum. It has the marine aluminum and everything else that you could use to make it beautiful for you and your family to enjoy. So I'm ready to use this, ready to try it and see how it goes. Thank you.